Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive technology. Today, we're diving into the world of diagnostic tools with what many consider to be the best ELM327 OBD2 scanner on the market. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro Scan tool for iPhone and Android. Let's jump right in and see what makes this device a must-have for every car enthusiast. First off, let's talk about what sets the BlueDriver apart from the rest. This little device packs a punch, offering comprehensive diagnostics that go beyond just reading check engine light codes. With its enhanced vehicle diagnostics, you can access information usually reserved for professional mechanics. Whether it's ABS, airbag, SRS, or TPMS codes, the BlueDriver has you covered. And with its wireless Bluetooth connectivity, you can say goodbye to annoying wires cluttering up your workspace. The BlueDriver app is where the magic really happens. Not only does it provide easy access to diagnostic information, but it also offers detailed repair reports tailored to your specific vehicle make and model. Plus, with a database of repair videos at your fingertips, tackling common fixes has never been easier. But wait, there's more. Unlike many OBD2 scanners, the BlueDriver can stay connected to your vehicle in real time, allowing you to monitor its health as you drive. And with unmatched support available 24/7, help is always just a phone call or message away. So there you have it, folks. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scan tool is truly in a league of its own when it comes to diagnostic tools. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just a car enthusiast looking to take better care of your ride, this is one investment you won't regret. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and automotive insights. Until next time, drive safe.